Ply offers a bidirectional sync integration with QuickBooks Online. You can now create RFQs within Ply that, when accepted, get sent directly over to QuickBooks as a purchase order and create those items within your item inventory within QuickBooks. Let's take a look at how this works. When you accept and select an RFQ within Ply, you'll be able to send to QuickBooks in the upper right-hand corner. Choose the account type that you want to sync with. Choose the order date in which you've purchased it. And then sync the corresponding materials. You can see here we have two materials, the Duracell and the Test, that have found materials within QuickBooks, and one that has it. So we're going to add this new material in QuickBooks from Ply. We're going to enter in the QuickBooks material name, the inventory asset account, so matching it to the exact account that you would like to have this PO generated to. You can select the income account if there is one. And expense account as well. When we hit save, it's going to add that new material, and when we hit confirm, we're going to sync it automatically with QuickBooks. So let's take a look at what that looks like inside of QuickBooks. We're going to head over to our expenses. And you can see here that we have a new purchase order under Ply. When we click on this, it's going to load all of the information that we send over from Ply once we've selected a vendor. And you can see that we have the 3 items as well as the Ply fee that was generated when we accepted the bid. And that's it. So now you can connect all of your accounts with Ply, pre and post purchase, as well as your field service management software when we sync it